So before I get on to it, I really want to congratulate the government. I think we are the first in the country, I believe, that will have a policy whereby we are talking about the welfare of the digital and electronic media. No other state has done it. The Arunachal Pradesh electronic media advertisement policy, which was done in 2020, it was done so thinking about the welfare of the new fledgling media and electronic industry, digital particularly. So traditional print media has been getting all the help that government has been giving so far, even in the country. But sir, in order to nurture this fourth pillar of democracy, in order to democratize the information which must be given to all the masses of Arunachal Pradesh, Government of Arunachal took a very proactive step and reformed this policy. It's been 5 years, sir, it is not yet implemented. So that's why I brought this, because I believe that if it is done so, it will help in, sabse pehle, it will help in regulating the mushrooming of so many content creator and self-styled journalists. It will help in the ethical functioning of these self-styled journalists, which we have seen in many sectors today. It will also give them a sense of professionalism. It will also help the government to know which all houses are doing what. And at the same time, this industry, which needs the care of the government, which needs the support of the government, will also grow up to become the spokesperson, to become the watchdog of democracy in this state. And as our state needs peace, stability, and unity, and this will be doing a wonderful job. So my question relating to this will be, sir, the Minister, through the Speaker, sir, I would like to ask the Minister of Information and Public Relations Department, the status of Arunachal Pradesh Electronic Media Advertisement Policy 2020. How many electronic and digital media houses are empaneled under the policy? Why the policy is not yet implemented in total despite Gazette notification? And how much money has been spent by state government of Arunachal Pradesh for advertising in electronic and digital media channels from 2020 to 2024? Both on national and regional satellite channels, sir. If I've been allowed to give the answer, I mean from the minister, I think it will give a long way. It will go a long way in curbing nepotism, which might be on the rise. You can curtail that also, sir. So my humble question to the minister, sir. To the speaker. Thank you, sir.
Minister.
Speaker, sir, nicely said by the honorable member, you have answered your own question in so nicely. So regarding status, that is also already in the answer. We have one media, that is Arunachal News 24/7 is already there. And Arunachal today has applied for the already applied. Now, regarding funding, you have expenditures and all you have said. That is also already in the answer. Now, the problem lies is, as you have said, with the mushrooming of all media houses and the media here. Now, the opinions are also increasing with the increase of the media houses. So, the policy is already we have already our policy of 2020, but some changes have to be done because of the new innovations of the new media houses and new media persons. So we are going for review of the policy. Some review will be taken. So now some changes like inclusion of carrying, viewing of baseless motivated, malicious, scurrilous, obscene and derogatory reports and non-caring or caring in the mutilated or tenderness manner or comment of the government. Press note, handouts, clarification, contradiction and press communiques. Thank you.
Sir, I just wanted to be assured by you, because it was done in 2020, sir. Gazette notification was done. It's 5 years. I'm told it is 5 years. I've gone through it. It is 5 years. 5 साल हो गए सर. अभी तक ये हुआ नहीं है. अगर रिवाइज करना भी था सर, 5 साल आपके साथ था. आप क्या कर रहे थे सबसे पहले? और मैंने देखा कि अगर आप ये नहीं करते तो हमारे न्यूज चैनलों पे मैंने कई जगह विदाउट एनी लाइन टू एनी न्यूज हाउसेस में आने के लिए जाने के लिए काफी न्यूज कवरेज फीस भी लेते हैं. सर अगर आप ये पॉलिसी को आपने मुझे बताया कि आप रिवाइज कर रहे हैं, तो सब रिवाइज करके आप कब इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे सर इसको? अगर हमें इफ यू कैन टेल अस वेरी क्लैरिटी कि हम अभी करने वाले हैं 1 हफ्ते के बाद. जैसे हमारे सीएम सर हमेशा बोलता है डेडलाइन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आप कब तक करेंगे? अगर आप रिवाइज किए भी है तो मुझे बताया गया कि आप रिवाइज कर रहे हैं. रिवाइज किए भी है तो सर इसका तोतों पे इम्प्लीमेंट कब होगा? ये मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ, मैं जानने का इच्छुक रखता हूँ. अगर ये आप सदन में हम सबको बताएं सर, स्पीकर सर आपके द्वारा मैं आपको फिर से पूछ रहा हूँ सबको, आप अगर संक्षेप में विद क्लैरिटी हमें बताएंगे कि हाँ हमने रिवाइज भी किए हैं, अभी हम उसको 1 महीने से 2 महीने पे 3 महीने पे, मैं बार बार बोल रहा, सीएम सर बोलते हैं कि डेडलाइन पे काम करना है हमको. अगर हमें समय बता दे कि 1 महीने के बाद या 3 महीने के बाद, ऑलरेडी 5 साल हो चुके हैं सर, और कितना महीना लगेंगे उसको अगर करेंगे तो ये मुझे बता दीजिएगा तो सर आई विल बी वेरी वेरी हैप्पी.
Speaker sir, actually this is already in implementation in toto. Only some changes have to be done. So in this August House, I assure in the time period of 6 months, all changes will be done, all revise will be done, and complete implementation will be done in a 6 month time. Thank you.
Next.